Hi, my name's Daisy.
My name's Alexia, I'm 10 years old.
I am 8
And we've been doing the kids training.
and we have been doing gold mapping and we had quite a lot of fun and we did
quite a lot of things. We talked about that anything that we think about is what our brain thinks about. So say if we said that we can't do it, then our brain thinks that we can't do it, so for the rest of our life we can't do it. But then if we can do it, then your brain thinks you can do it and you can do it for the rest of your life.
like what my mum said was she at school she used to say that maths was hard for her, and then when she used to say maths I like and it's easy, maths was easier for her and she didn't struggle.
What I say now is my mum taught me this. Always say I can't. Always say I'll. Never say I can't. Always say I'll try.
And what my teachers taught me at school is don't give up. If you don't succeed, try again.
So I think this really helped me and Daisy. So yeah.
Perfect.
And also she teached us to make friends, and that made a lot of people to make friends, and we all have had fun in class. Well, class, yeah.
Class, yeah.